Let's talk about why gums swell. We're not really talking about the physical trauma. You're gonna get cut, you're gonna swell up, definitely, right? Or any kind of autoimmune disease, and that can actually happen as well. Things going havoc, haywire in the body, and your body can actually kind of show manifestations of that through gum swelling. Talk about two main things that I typically see. One is bacteria. Bacteria is probably the number one cause of gums swelling up. And that is because your body's trying to fight it off. All the blood's there, your immune system's trying to fight off this bad thing, and which it can't, and so it just stays there chronically, can bleed, be sore, and just swell up, right? That's a natural response. That's a good thing, your body's working properly. The bad thing is you gotta get rid of that bacteria before the immune system of the body can actually calm down and get out of that and get back to more of an equilibrium. Other gum swelling, not so common, is really from medicines. And there's medicines that the effect, I don't like the word side effect, but it's an effect that these medicines have is that they really swell up. And when that actually happens, we got to get off that medicine, talk to your regular physician, say, hey, look, we see this manifestation of gum swelling. What can we do to actually get off that medicine, but better yet, modify the lifestyle to get off the medicine 100%. That's the best thing, because any kind of chemical in your body is going to have an effect, right? You're going to have a good effect and bad effects. That's just the way medicines work. So that's what happens with gum swelling, medicines, and as well as bacteria. So stay healthy, keep smiling, and we'll see you soon.